Finding zeros of polynomial functions and their multiplicity. Okay, now again, apologies for this, the exponents haven't come quite right. So this is an x plus 3 squared and an x minus 1. So can you see here, remember this? The 0 is positive 1. That's the 0. Here, the 0 is negative 3, but it's twice because, remember, this is squared. So you can think of this as x plus 3, so that have negative 1, but another x plus 3, okay, and then the x minus 1. And that's why we've got negative 3 twice, okay? That's the multiplicity. So here we have, remember this when it's by itself, that's x equals 0, one time. X equals positive 6, one time. X equals negative 11, just one time. And x equals positive a half, again, just one time. So all the answers there had multiplicity 1. This one looks like it's come out okay. So now remember, this is meaningless. It's not an x. Ignore it, okay? So again, look at this. We've got negative 6 twice. All right, because think of that as an x plus 6 with another x plus 6. So the multiplicity is 2. Here we have positive 6. 3 times, okay? Multiplicity 3. Down here, well, there you go. That's not too bad. That's a 9, multiplicity 1. And here, again, forget about that. Remember this one? That's 0, but twice, so multiplicity 2. So that is the zeros and their multiplicity.